Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be showing you how to update the Pulsar LT. I will be doing this on my 2019 Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition with the V8 5.3 liter Ecotec 3 engine, disabled dynamic fuel management, and an 8-speed automatic transmission. To do this, you will need a laptop. You will need to have an OBDII to USB cable. You can purchase this from edgeproducts.com. It's about $41.29. I like to waste my money and buy products that are actually meant to be used on the products you're buying. So I recommend the $41 cable. If you already have an OBDII to USB cable, go ahead and use that. You will need to download the update software to your computer. It is recommended that you have your laptop plugged into a power source. I'm not doing Wi-Fi. I'm doing with the actual cable, which I plugged right into my computer. You will take this, plug it into your computer, and the other end will go into the OBDII port that is on your vehicle, because this needs to be updated while it's plugged into your vehicle. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to edgeproducts.com. Go ahead and punch that in real quick. And then once you're there, you're going to go over to support. And you're going to scroll down to software updates. Then you're going to scroll down to Update Agent 1.0. Okay, so they have two update agents. Download Update Agent for Mac and one for PC. Of course, I'm going to do the PC one. It's really hard to see the damn mouse on here. Where is it? And of course, I don't have a touch screen, so okay, so you're going to click on Download Update Agent 1.0 for PC. Okay, so you're going to click on Update Agent Installer. Then you're going to get a pop-up. You're going to click on, well, I really should take this in the shade. Okay, I can see it better now. You're going to click on Agree, Install. Another pop-up is going to come up. It says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your computer? Yes. Setup in progress. Okay, so once you download a computer, another pop-up is going to come up. It says Next, and then Install. Welcome to the Device Driver Installation Wizard. You're going to go ahead and, should have stayed over in the shade. A white mouse is not good in the sun on a display screen. The drivers are now installing. Would you like to install the device software? Install. So click on Install. Completing the device driver installation wizard. And we'll go ahead and hit Finish. Completing the Holley USB CAN driver through the setup wizard. Hit Finish. And now we hit next. Setup. We'll install PowerTech USB CAN driver. Next. And click on install. And then I'm going to click on installation successfully completed. Close. Okay, so let me go ahead and escape out of this. And I'll close that out. And now I'm going to show you how to install it. So anyway, now there's an icon. It says update agent icon. Click on that. Okay, so now I need to go ahead and connect the device. Let me put that right there. Now all you have to do is just follow the prompts. So I'm going to go ahead and reposition this over by the door, and I'll move the camera over there, and I'll show you how to install it, or how to update the Pulsar LT. I have the updating software fully loaded to my laptop. Right now the screen says connect device. So you're going to take your cable, which has the OBDII end and the USB. This is going to plug into your OBDII port. I have a push start, so I'm going to go ahead and put the vehicle in the run position, but I'm not going to start it. So I'm going to push and hold the button for 5 seconds. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug the cable into the OBDII port. I'm going to plug this into my computer. Okay, so the device is connected. So it's checking for updates right now. Please enter your registration information to create an access to an existing account. All right, I guess I'll have to do that. And then hit submit. Your device is up to date. It is now safe to unplug your device. So, my Pulsar LT is up to date. I didn't have to update it. So, what you can do every now and then, well, I'd imagine, let me turn this off. Since I registered with my email address, I'm sure I'll get notification when there is an update for my Pulsar LT, and then I'll go ahead and do the same exact process. Go ahead and plug it in and update it. But I'm not going to film that. Well, maybe I might. I might film the actual update. This one was already updated, so I didn't have to do it. And I know I spent like 50 bucks with shipping for that cable. Was it worth it? Well, now I know that my Pulsar LT is up to date. Well, that's it. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. That really helps out my channel. Hit the bell icon and you'll get notifications as new videos come out. Thanks for watching, and There are not any bloopers on this one either. I only did a few takes, so not too bad. The hardest part was trying to find that mouse on the screen in the sun. So maybe with my editing that I do, I'll edit it so it I don't appear so stupid. Damn. I guess I should have made the mouse larger and black color. I'll have to check that out. It's a non-glare screen too. But anyway, in order to do the update, has to be on a laptop, has to be plugged into a power source, and you can do Wi-Fi. You cannot use the Wi-Fi through the vehicle because while you're plugged into the OBDII port, the Wi-Fi will be disconnected. So if you have a 50-foot or 100-foot Category 6 cable, go ahead and just plug it into your router and bring the cable out front, plug in your laptop, and you'll have a very secure and lag-free connection. So that's it. Enjoy your day and enjoy your Pulsar, enjoy your updated Pulsar LT. Have a good day, and I'm going to take one more big old drink of beer. A little on the warm side, but it does taste good. All right, bye. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be showing you how to, you will need to download the updating app. Oh, what is it? Let me see. Oh, damn son of a bitch. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Okay, Dave, you leaving? Yeah. Oh, go ahead. I'll wait till you drive off.
Oh, okay.
Test 1, test 1, test 2, test 3. Okay, test 1, test 2, test 3. Okay, so test 1, test 2, test 3. Okay, so test 1, test 2, test 3. Okay, so the program, test 1, test 2, test 3. Test 1, test 1, test 2, test 3. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Okay, so I got my laptop plugged into the internet. The updating program is fully installed, and right now it says connect device. So what you're going to do, I have a keyless ignition, so I'm going to push and hold the start button for 5 seconds without my foot being on the brake. I'm going to go ahead and plug in the USB 2, USB-D, wait, USB-O. USB-O. Is that what it's called? Damn it. USB-O.